How to curve text in Photoshop. Go over to the rectangle tool, long press it, and change to the ellipse tool. Then go up to the top and change it from a shape to a path. Then click and drag on your canvas to draw an ellipse. Then go to the text tool. Hover over the ellipse till you see this curved line. Then click on it. Now erase that text and type your text. And as you can see, the text is curved on the ellipse. So if I want to change the curvature of the text, I just change the size of the ellipse. So if I go back to the ellipse tool and I click Command T, then I can adjust the ellipse, and then when I click Enter, it'll change the curve of the text. And then if I go to the path selection tool, then I can adjust the text on the ellipse. And that's how you curve text in Photoshop.